Welcome you all. In this session, we are going to discuss the digital techniques in high voltage measurements. Outcome: after successful completion of the session, the student could able to explain the digital techniques in high voltage measurement. Resistive potential dividers. The resistive potential dividers are first to be appear because of their simplicity of construction, less space requirements, less weightage, and easy portability. These can be placed near the test object, which might not always be confined to one location. The length of divider depends upon 2 or 3 factors. Here in this figure you can see the various types of resistive potential dividers. Here you have two resistors R1 and R2. So one minute, here you can see two resistors R1 and R2. So the total high voltage which you need to measure is split up in between R1 and R2. So since R1 here it is split up, this V2 voltage will be very high, and this is the total voltage and V2 voltage. By applying the voltage division rule, we can find the value of V2. So we know the value of V2. So once we know the value of V2, automatically we can find the value of V1. This V2 can be measured by using this CRO. So or either by CRO or some voltmeters. With the help of this, we can measure this V2. So we know the value of V2. So with the help of V2, we can find the value of V1. That is the voltage to be measured. So Z1 is nothing but Z plus R3 into R2 divided by R2 plus Z plus R3, and therefore that is the voltage to be measured. V3 is equal to V1 into R2 divided by 2 times Z1 plus R1. Due to the matching or at the CRO end, the delay of cable, the voltage does not suffer any reflection at the end, and the voltage recorded by the CRO. Next one is capacitive potential divider. So initially we started with resistive potential divider. Now it is capacitive potential dividers are more complex than resistive type. The measurement of impulse voltage not exceeding 1 megavolt capacitive dividers can be both portable and transport. In general, the measurement of 1 megavolt and over capacitive dividers are here. Initially we have two resistors for resistive potential divider. Here two capacitors, and the voltage across the capacitance C2 is measured, and the total voltage across C1 and C2 is called as the high voltage which need to be measured. So once you get the value of voltage across capacitor C2 with the help of CRO or by means of voltmeter, it is easy for us to calculate the value of V1, the high voltage which need to be measured with the help of capacitive voltage divider. A low resistor in parallel to C2 would load the low voltage arm of divider too heavy and decrease the output voltage with time. Since R and Z forms the potential divider and R is equal to Z, the voltage input of cable will be the half of voltage across the capacitor C2. This kind of damped capacitor dividers acts for high frequency as resistive dividers and for low frequencies as capacitive dividers. It can therefore be used over a wide range of techniques for impulse voltage and very different duration alternating voltages. Thank you.